Hola, bitches. It's my last day in Cairo. I've really been enjoying myself. It's been a great experience, and I'm already making plans to come back because I just feel like Cairo wasn't enough. I need to see Aswan, I need to see Luxor, I need to see Alexandria. Like, I just feel like I could have done Cairo in like 3 days. Probably 2 and been good. Like, I did not need to stay here for a full 5 days. I'll get further into detail of how I feel about Egypt and all that, but overall, like, my experience here was good. Like, I loved it. I learned a lot. It was like great to see and great to be here. I'm so thankful that I got this opportunity to come to freaking Egypt and see the great pyramids of Giza and all types of things. Last night I booked the Airbnb experience, and I went and had dinner on the Nile River, and I bought some perfumes and things. But yeah, I want to come back. I'm trying to make plans to come back 2023 November and try to come for like 10 days. It probably bring like a family member or something with me that time. But I will come back to Cairo to come back to the pyramids. Obviously, I would go do a couple things around here. Then I'm going to Luxor and Aswan. Yeah, I just feel incomplete. Like, I needed to see more of Egypt. So that's the only bummer. Like, I'm not really feeling good about this trip all the way because I feel like I did not do enough. But I came to freaking the pyramids. Like, I'm looking at the pyramids right now because they're across my balcony. Like, I'm gonna miss waking up to these pyramids. Anyway, I'm off to get a COVID test. Jeez, oh Lord, hopefully that ain't her. And then I'm gonna have a felucca ride on the Nile River, and I'm relaxing the rest of the day. Like, I'm just gonna be chilling in my Airbnb, getting myself together, moving content to my hard drive and things like that. But every day I've been on the go. Yesterday was kind of chill because I got a good day nap in, but I don't want to do nothing else today. So PR test, felucca ride, and lunch. Chilling until it's time to go. I leave at 9 p.m. tonight because my flight leaves at 2. But there's going to be mad traffic in Cairo, and I need to get there like 3 hours early just in case. So, all right, y'all. See y'all after the PR test. Cruise. I'll just get on a little felucca on the Nile River. Like, I'm doing it up. I might come with somebody next time I come here. Be like, yeah, this where you gonna do this. This where, act like I know the place or whatever. I'm in Africa. I'm in Egypt. It is what it is, honey.